Good news, good news, good news. YouTube monetization has just got easier. These three features I'm about to share with you today will get most small channels monetized in this 2026. In this video, I'm going to be sharing three features that have helped me on my channel, and it will definitely help most small YouTubers to get monetized. This is a new and mind-blowing update. Some of us don't know about it yet. Some already know, while others are overlooking at it. So today I will be sharing three features that YouTube has given to us, especially the small YouTubers, to help us grow, and this will help us to get monetized fast as soon as possible. So let's go straight into the video proper. Hello guys, if you're seeing my face for the first time, my name is Kelvin, the creator behind Grow with Kelvin. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell if you want to grow fast on YouTube. So let me take you guys straight into the YouTube app. So open our YouTube app. Immediately we open our YouTube app. It's either you use your YouTube app or you use the desktop version to do this. So after that, the next thing you need to do is for you to click on this plus sign as if you want to upload a video. I believe most of you already know how you can upload video using the YouTube app or the desktop mode. If you don't know how to upload video using the desktop mode, I have a video on my channel. You can check it out, how to upload a video the right way on YouTube. So the next thing we need to do here is for us to come on video, because it's video that we want to upload. So when we come on video, the next thing we'll do is for us to choose the video we want to upload. So in the case of this tutorial, I will just choose a video that is not that long. So I'll just choose this one, random video. I'm not going to upload this video. Yes, I will not upload the video. What I will do is I just want to do a tutorial so that for you to show you about the feature I'm talking about. So after that, you have clicked on your video, and then you just click on next. When you click on next, a video will come. It will come like this. You just take next. I believe you already know how to do or to navigate all those things. So make sure if you are uploading your video in 2026, make sure it should have a searchable title. Look for titles that are searchable, that people can search your video. Now, if you don't know how to make a searchable title, you can use ChatGPT to generate you 3 titles. At times, I used to generate about 10 titles and then pick the best 3. Remember, as I earlier said, your title should be clickable. Don't go and take a boring title. Don't make it too long. Many of us here, we don't like things that are long. Yes, I for one, your title should not be that long enough. Even if your title is too long, YouTube see it as keyword stuffing. So YouTube don't recommend titles that are keyword stuffing. So now, when we are here, the next thing you just need to do, YouTube have updated the app. So now this is how it shows. So you just click on show more so that everything will come, and then go on your video title. As I earlier said, make sure to put a searchable title. You can use ChatGPT to generate it, or you can use the same YouTube app to generate searchable title for this video. So we'll not be focusing on that. You put your description, and then make sure you leave it on unlisted. Why you leave it on unlisted is because you might have a problem with the video. The video might be copyright strike, but since it is as unlisted, it will not affect your channel. Yeah, if you have copyright where it's under unlisted, you can go and fix it out before you publish it. I don't know if you understand me. So we come down, related video. You know how to put the related video. You know how to put playlists. So what we'll be targeting is collaboration. Invite a collaborator. So you click on this one that says invite a collaborator. So we'll click on it. that says invite a collaborator. If you want to invite a collaborator to this video, what you need to understand what YouTube have just listed here. YouTube says you are in control. Only you can make changes on the video. You are the one controlling the video. Only you can make changes. The person you are collaborating with can see about the video, but the person cannot make changes about the video. So the next is expanded reach. YouTube says they will help your video reach collaborators' audience. So if you are collaborating with someone that has hundreds of thousands subscribers, you get, YouTube is going to put your video on their feed. YouTube is going to put your video on their feed, going to show it to them so as for them to also watch your video and subscribe to your channel. The next is full ownership. You keep all the revenue, views and watch time from the video. You get, you are the one who can give permission to the person. If you want the person to see how the video is performing, you are the only one who can give that permission. So the only thing we do here, we click on this search, and then we are going to search for the channel we want to collaborate with. Remember, make sure to always collaborate with a channel that is similar to your niche. Don't collaborate with somebody. If you're about YouTube growth, don't collaborate with someone who is doing skit comedy. They don't have the same audience, you get. And if you are collaborate with someone who has bigger audience than you. If you are collaborating with a small creator who has 1K 2K subscribers and you are also looking for exposure, you will not get exposure. Both of you will struggle. But if someone has gotten exposure like 100K subscribers, 70, you collaborate with such a person, you're going to have the massive exposure you need. So we'll just search on that channel. So what I will be searching, I'll just search on my own channel. I'll just search on my channel because it's me. It is me. I'm the one controlling the channel. So I will just search on the channel is Live with Kelvin. So if I come here, this is my channel, Live with Kelvin. So I'm the one controlling these two channels. So I can choose to allow analytics viewing. They don't have access to any revenue information. They can only see how the video performs. You get? So now you can decide to turn it on or you turn it off. The next thing you need to do is for you to create link. You see, you just copy this link. Immediately you copy this link, it will come back now. We'll come back here. If you come back here, you will see that pending acceptance. So now I have to just take this link and go. If it is me, so I'll go to my WhatsApp and paste this link and then open to my other channel and accept it. I'm the one. So if you are doing it for another person, like if you are collaborating with another creator, you make sure to the medium of communication you guys are communicating, use this link and send it to the person, and the person will accept it there. So now we are going to move to the second feature. This second feature is the most powerful feature on YouTube right now. As I earlier said in this video, that it is good for you to use 3 titles and 3 thumbnails for you to do your A/B testing. And now this A/B testing, whenever you have a video, you take it, you go on the A/B testing and then put this title and put the thumbnail, 3 of them, and upload your video. YouTube is going to test those 3 titles and 3 thumbnails to see the one that perform very well. It is always good to make use of this feature because it gives you advantage to test 3 thumbnails and 3 titles, your best 3 titles that you can generate for your video. You use them for YouTube to test them and show you the one that performs very well. Now, the number 3 feature, which is the most powerful one, I call it the most powerful one on YouTube, is live streaming. Live streaming will help you reach monetization fast and easily. Immediately you come to your YouTube app, click on the plus icon. go to live. Immediately you are here at live. Now you wait for it. You see this pencil icon. Click on this pencil icon. Immediately you click on that pencil icon, you are going to see this is where you optimize your live stream for it to reach broader audience. Yes, the first is your title. Make sure to put a title that is searchable, and your topic should be a topic that is very engaging. Take your time. Don't just come on live streaming and start babbling. Take your time. Write down everything you want to talk on your live stream. Write them down as if you are writing your script. Write them down and come on live and share what you know. Yes. So when you come here, you put your title, which is required. You come on under visibility. Make sure to put your visibility as public. Never you leave your visibility as unlisted. If your visibility is as unlisted, many people will not see your live stream. YouTube is not going to push it to broader audience because it is private. So it is always good to put it as public. So after putting it under public, make sure to take your audience as it is not meant for kids. Then after that, your location, you leave it like that. Your description, make sure to put an optimized description, because after the live stream, that video will still be on your channel. So it is good to optimize it very well. So after that, you come here on your thumbnail. Make sure to put your thumbnail that is engaging. Do your live stream as if it is your video you're uploading. Put your thumbnail. It should be clickable. Put your keywords under your description. Make your live stream very engaging. So guys, if you follow step by step on what I have shared with you and start using these features, I tell you and I lie not, you are going to see a massive growth and an amazing result upon your channel. In this 2026, don't sleep on any update you come across. We all as small YouTubers, we must monetize in this 2026. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so anytime I have a vibe like this, I will come here and share. And remember, if you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, this is your blueprint to your monetization.